All right, question number 7. Solve the following equations. So we have negative 2b plus 2 is equal to 26. And I want to get my negative 2b all alone. So the plus 2 is stopping that from happening. So we're going to do the opposite of adding 2. We're going to subtract 2 from the left-hand side. Okay, and that's going to make the 2 disappear. Right? If we subtract 2 from the left-hand side, we also have to subtract it from the right-hand side to keep everything balanced. Okay, and so after we do that, we're just left with negative 2 on the left-hand side, and 26 take away 2, 24. All right, now I want to get rid of this negative 2 that's multiplying the b. So we're going to do the opposite. We're going to divide by negative 2. Okay, so if we divide by negative 2, this becomes a 1, and we're left with 1b, and that's why we divided by negative 2. But if you divide the left-hand side by negative 2, you also have to divide the right-hand side by negative 2. Okay, and that gives us b is equal to 24 divided by negative 2, a positive divided by negative. Signs disagree, that's negative 12. Okay, so b is equal to negative 12. Then I'm just going to check to see if I'm right by using replacement. Okay, so I'm going to replace the b with negative 12 in brackets. So negative 2 times negative 12, same signs, they agree, so that's positive 24 plus 2 is 26. Okay, and so we know that, well, this is 26, and that's 26. The left-hand side equals right-hand side, so b must be equal to negative 12. All right, let's do the second question, b. So I want to get the negative 8 ends all alone, and the 12 is stopping that from happening. So I'm going to do the opposite of adding 12. I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides, like that. So negative 44 minus 12, they're the same sign, so I'm going to add and keep the sign, okay? And that's going to give us 56, negative 56. So we have negative 56 equals negative 8n, okay? So then I want to get rid of this negative 8 that's multiplying the n, so I'm going to divide both sides by negative 8. Okay, so if I divide this side by negative 8, it just becomes, it cancels, and we're just left with 1n, or n, is equal to, now then we're going to divide the left-hand side by negative 8. So negative 56 divided by negative 8 is a positive. Right? Negative divided by negative, signs agree, that's positive. So 56 divided by 8 is 7, so the answer is 7 is equal to n, or n is equal to 7. All right, we're going to do a quick check. So we have negative 44, is it equal to negative 8 times 7 plus 12? And if n is in fact 7, it will equal. Okay, so we end up with a negative times positive is negative. 8 times 7 is 56, so negative 56 plus 12, okay, and that is in fact negative 44. Okay, so we know that this is in fact correct. Okay, and that's it for question number 7. Have a good day.